Assalamualaikum, class 2. I'm hoping you are staying healthy, and this is me, FT Miss. I'm going to teach you from 29 today from Math Book 1. Be ready with your book and go to 29 number unit. Is 99. You can see ordinal number. Look at the screen. This may be from an amusement park. Some people are standing side by side and they are holding balloons. And this balloon is indicating some numbers. These kind of number are basically ordinal number. What is ordinal number actually? Any idea? Okay, some of you may have idea and some of you don't. Let me help you. Ordinal number. We use ordinal numbers when we say the position of something or someone. In two ways we can count the position of something by using ordinal number. So let's focus. Here I have given two pictures which is the same picture, but because of knowing the position of something by using two ways of ordinal number, I have just given the same picture. The first way to know the position of something or someone by using ordinal number is front to back. For this you have to start counting from your right hand. Yes, this hand. Right hand side to left hand side. Okay, let's start counting. From your right hand side to move this word. Here some boys and girls are standing. For example, take some of these boys and girls. Okay, suppose this is Tasin, this is Samaira, this is this girl. I am picking the first two and the last two boy and girl. This girl is Ramisa and this is Zaim. So here Tasin is in the, if I start counting from this, from the right side of my hand to the leftward, if I have started counting, so the first position 1, 2, first, second. So Tasin is in the first position and then Samaira is in the second position. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Who is in the eighth position? Ramisa is in the eighth position. And the last one, Zaim, is in the ninth position. This is from front to back with for counting ordinal number. Then the next one is, in other way you can also counting, this is back to front. For this you have to start counting from your left hand side, then you have to finish counting to the right hand side. Okay, start. Same way. They just wearing the same dress, so you can easily understand. And this is Zaim, this is Ramisa, this is Tasin, this is Samaira. So here I have started counting. I have to start counting from the left side. So this side of my hand. So start counting. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Who is in the first position here? Zaim. And in the second position, her name is Ramisa. And third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Who is in the eighth position? Yes, Samaira. And the last position, ninth position, who is? She is Tasin. He is Tasin. So here in the first picture, Tasin was in the first position when we use front to back system for counting. But here Tasin is in the last position when we use back to front counting. So for front to back counting, we have to start regular counting system from right side to left side. And from back to front, you have to start counting from your back side, from the left side to the right side. In this two way, we can count the ordinal number. And if nothing is mentioned anywhere which way to count, then normally we'll start counting using front to back. Suppose I say, what is the Tasnim's position here? And I did not mention any of the way, front to back or back to front. Then you have to think that the way will be used front to back. Okay. Without mentioning anything, what kind of way will be used for counting ordinal number? Front to back counting, yes. Now this page, follow the book, 99 number page, and now see the, look at the screen. Here I have marked the space so this page is very important for this chapter. You have to memorize all these numbers, the short and full from page 99. Now let's move forward. Go to page 100. Be ready for the exercise. Here you can see a picture where many girls are standing and not standing, actually they are running in a line. So we have to do the exercise. What are the positions of these girls? We have to find out. And for this, two ways is included, front to back or back to front. So let's move to the question. But before that, I want to say something. If you want to test yourself that you can or you cannot do this sum, when I'm going to say the answer, at the time you can pause the video and do it on your own in your rough copy, the math. And after that, you can start watching the lecture again. So you can easily test yourself. Okay. So the first question is, who is the seventh from the front? So from the front to the back, here it is given, it is written. This is the front side. Who is the seventh from the front? Let's start counting. First, second, third, fourth. Now you can pause the video. 1, 2. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So this yellow cap, wearing yellow cap, this girl is in the seventh front. From the front, she is Ronnie. Let's move to the next question. Who is the fourth from the back? From the back, we have to start counting from the back. Who is starting on from the back position? Sarah. So start counting from Sarah. Who is the fourth from the back? First, second, third, fourth. So she is Pinky. Pinky is the fourth from the back. And C number. Who is the eighth from the front? Now here start counting from Tara. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So Tina, wearing green cap, she is in the eighth position from the front. So let's move to a D number. What is Alia's position? Here nothing is actually written, from the front or from the back, which way to use. So for this type of question, we have to think the counting will be from the front. What is Alia's position? Start counting from Tara. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So Alia is in the fifth position. Then E number. Tara is gap from the front. Tara, she is in the first position from the front. So the answer will be first. Then Sarah is gap from the front. Sarah is 1. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ninth. Sarah is ninth from the front. Here I have included the answers. You can get help from there. So that's all from today's lecture. This is your homework. Thank you class 2 for listening the lecture carefully. Allah Hafiz.